Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to know that how to connect a domain to your Wix account or Wix website, then this video is for you. So right now I'm on my Wix account where you can find when you are on your Wix account on the dashboard. Here is a drop down menu where you can find all of your website that you have created on Wix. So you have to select the exact website. So simply click on that, and when you are on that website dashboard, you can find lots of options at the left side menu bar. So from here, make sure you are on your home dashboard. So when you are on your home dashboard, you can find here connect domain button. So simply click on connect domain, and it will help you to connect a domain and search for available domain that you can purchase. So from here, for example, I'm going to search for like how to domain. Let's see how to, and let's go. If I simply click on it and like howto.com, I know that's not available because this is a common name or common domain that probably taken by someone. So it's taken here, you can see, and you can find different types of suggested websites. So let's use my website name here, like Texify, just like this. If I simply click on let's go button, and it will show you the available that yes, this domain is now available here, and the .com is also available here. So you have to do is simply click on get it, and here you have to do is get the domain for free with a premium plan. So if you purchase the premium plan of Wix, then you can get a free domain for a certain period. So here the first year for free for the first year. So this is a gift from Wix, and no Wix branding and 14 days money back guarantee on all premium plans. Also, you can only buy the domain separately. So you can directly buy, select on this. If you only want to buy this domain, then you can buy it from here. Or if you want to buy the domain plus the premium plan, then select this and simply click on continue, and then you have to add your plan here. So select a plan from here. For example, I'm going to select this one, and from here you have to select the cycle. So here, for example, this one, and simply click on continue to checkout, and then now it will ask for your payment method. You can pay with your PayPal account, or if you have any credit card, you can use it, or you can use your PayPal account. So PayPal, the Apple Pay account actually. So if you are on the PayPal account, then you have to simply click on continue to PayPal. Then it will actually but before that, you have to add the invoice details like your first name, last name, your address, city, postal code, country, phone number, and the company name. After click on this, if you click on it, you can find a window will pop up on this screen, and there you can find you have to sign in to your PayPal account with your username, email, or phone number, then password, and you have to verify yourself, and you have to give the permission to use or connect your PayPal account with Wix. Also, you can use your credit card. So for that, you have to add the card number, expiry date, CVV, your first name and last name. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.